red light on it.
Is it? I hope it is. This is some awesome moves you're doing here. People are going to be trying to pick up on these moves. Uh-oh. Get it? Watch out, cuckoo bird. You're pulling out your ninja skills. I think I'm going to have to stand back. Dang.
I should be in karate.
Yeah, I bet you should.
I think I should be the...
Wowza. Wow.
That's what some kung fu people do, like this.
You're
They
right.
actually flip over and back.
You're right.
Yeah, but I just do this.
You're out of control!